Hello, this is Aaron with a video tour of the laundry room for 5706 Darlington, which is here, 5704 Darlington, which is here, and 57 Darlington, which is here. As you can see, the buildings are right next to each other. Just so everyone is aware, this is Darlington Road, and it's 5706, 5704, and 5700 Darlington Road. So let me kind of take you, we got brand new laundry machines that can either run with coined, well actually you need a smartphone going forward. So they no longer take coins, you have to have a smartphone and download the app, which is called Pay Range. But here's the buildings, 5706 and 5704 Darlington, and there is the side entrance which allows you into the laundry room. It's in the basement of 5700 Darlington Road. This is actually 5702 Darlington, the side entrance, the second and third floor of 5702. But here's the hallway, and then here is the entrance to the basement. We're having everything painted right now and cleaned up, but these machines are a week old. They're brand new Maytag commercial machines. And so here are two dryers, and you would use an app on your phone called Pay Range. And so no coins are required, and I could send you more information, but here are the two washers and here are the two dryers. And here's the basement area. But they run with the app on your phone, and they're brand new machines and run really well. So please let us know if you have any questions. But this is the laundry room for 5700, 5702, 5704, and 5706 Darlington Road. And then you would just take your laundry back out, and I'll just pop back out again. And that's it. So my name is Aaron, and with Squirrel Hill Flats, and please let us know if you have any questions. But we wanted to give you a quick tour of the laundry room for 5700, 5702, 5704, and 5706 Darlington Road. Thank you very much, and have a great day.